Hello friends, today we have a situation with a 2015 Ford Explorer I wanted to show you. The car developed a leak in the sunroof. At least we seemed it would be a leak. We were getting water dripping down into the interior of the car, and that usually indicates that one of the vent holes is clogged. And most Ford products have two vent holes, one on each side in the front corners.
Kind of hard to see, but where my finger is, and I can't see the phone screen too well, but you can, right down in there, you'll see a little vent that veers off down that A-pillar to behind the tire.
Yep, comes out right behind the tire underneath the corner of the dashboard.
And what we got up here, we put our regulator on our air compressor way down to 20, and we put a little tube on the back here. Now, Daryl, my father, has compressed air, which some people say may work, but I didn't have any luck, and other people online I see didn't have any luck.
There really isn't much pressure in one of these cans. We're running, what, about 25 psi pressure in that little hose right now?
Correct.
And even that took a little while, a few tries to blow it out.
So then what we did, we took our normal tire chuck air gauge, put a little nipple on the end, so then we can kind of slowly push the trigger to get adequate air pressure. I put one end of the hose down in there, and I used my finger. It was a tight fit to create a good seal so it would have pressure to force the water down. Now I'm going to hand Daryl the phone here. Supposedly there's a lot of water down there.
Let's see if my idea of a lot of water matches his. But there you go. You can see the puddle there, and you can actually see there's a couple pieces of solid debris down there. It looks like lint and hair and stuff. Let me pick that up and see what we got with that. Now, this is about 90% of the debris that came out. This was kind of like a long stringy piece when I picked it up. As you can see, this right here is the main plug. It's perfectly rounded and shaped just like a cork. So this is what had plugged the drain line on this side.
All right, so just to wrap up the video, you got two holes here, one on each side. You can see right down where my finger is.
None in the back, are there?
None in the back on this car. Most sunroofs have these drain holes because sunroofs are not made to be 100% waterproof. They know that water will leak around these flat seams, and this was their engineer's design, but as we all know, engineers aren't the ones working on it. So if you have that, give that a shot. Make sure you dial down the air compressor. You don't need to blow 100 psi through there and blow a line through your A-pillar. And then go chasing for a drain line inside the car. All right. Anything else?
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Bye for now.